Ukraine's drone army has managed to use very little resources but be able to destroy a lot of valuable equipment, resulting in destroyed dollar compared to the cost of the drones to be 50 to 100 times greater. And in single cases the value is a lot higher, as even a small grenade can have devastating effect on equipment, armored or non-armored, destroying more of Russia's equipment, turning it into scrap metal, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.